Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik, your host. Today's session I will cover how to change host name in Linux. How can we assign the host name in Linux? So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. First I will tell you how to change static host name in Linux. The static host name is hostname. Then type the whatever you want to change the static hostname. So I will check S India because static I use India. So if you can check what is your host name, it will be S India. So it will be once you will restart your PC or server, once you will restart your server, it will be default as C7 server. So this is the temporary name which I have assigned to my server. So I want to set as a permanent default host name to my server. So permanent host name default command is hostnamectl then set dash host name. So and then space. So I will type here cdxb server then space server. So what I have typed host name then space set host name then DXB server, and once I need to enter. Once you will need to enter, you can check what's your host name. So guys, this is the process to change as a static host name, and this is the process to change fixed host name. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.